Well, a tough down day on Thursday in soybeans and in the cattle market. Jeff Hogendorn has analysis today. Soybeans, boy, we got pulled down by that limit down movement soybean oil, but it was really just on a rumor about the RVOs, wasn't it?
Yeah, we surely haven't been able to confirm anything on that, at least so far. We'll keep our eyes and ears open on that for sure. But, that market was on a pretty good run higher. Definitely had some rumors around, what is the mandate going to look like going forward as far as the renewable fuels situation. And then also a tough day yesterday on everything energy, right?
Yeah, but Jeff, down like 28 cents or more on the nearby July contract. But did we do technical damage there in the beans?
You know what? It actually doesn't look that bad from what I'm looking at. I know one of the things a lot of people have been focused on is that 200-day moving average, and we bounced right off of that on a lot of these contracts on yesterday's trade. So I think we held that. Even like some of the other moving averages are really close to where the close is, depending on which ones you want to pick, whether it be the 20-day or 30-day.
What about the cattle market? We had big key reversals on Wednesday, Thursday. We saw follow through. Is this a top?
I don't know if I'm going to strike out and try to predict that. It is obviously what we have going on here is it's all about the money flow. There's really no news changing. In fact, the news continues to be more bullish as we traded some cash today at some higher money again than last week, at least in the north. Money wants to jump on this cattle market, wants to participate in a break, right? So that is a reminder to all of us. There's a lot of dollars standing on the sideline. As soon as we can catch a break, whether it's headline traders, momentum traders, they're going to jump on here and sell it very aggressively to try to take that advantage of a big, $10 or $15 break in the market, right? But we've tried this a few times in a much smaller scale, and positive fundamentals brought us right back towards the high. So I'm not convinced the high is in for sure.
All right. Thanks so much, Jeff Hogendorn, Professional Ag Marketing. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.